What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV drive. So today you join me inside the 8V1 Audi S3, so the pre-facelift from this generation. I'm out with Car Sales Exclusive. This car is for sale with them. Do check out all their socials. I'll leave the link down in the description below, and their Instagram will be on screen right now. So yeah, do check them out. So we're gonna go for a quick drive. This car is featuring in the next episode of Cars I Think You Should Buy, and this is the performance edition. So this is episode 3, but today we're just gonna go for a normal POV drive like we normally do, or like we usually do, so as to say. And yeah, I'll brief you in a bit on what we're going to cover in the main video. So yeah, 8V1 Audi S3, let's go. So the very early ones came in at 206 kilowatts and 380 Newton meters of torque. They are powered by the infamous EA888, which is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, and as you may all know, shares platforms with the Golf R, and that would be the Golf 7R. After a few years, they went on to update the car, and still on the pre-facelifts though, but they bumped up the power to 228 kilowatts and 400 Newton meters of torque. Now the 206 kilowatts cars do 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5 seconds flat. And then the 228 kilowatts ones do it in around 4.6 seconds, which is a significant jump. Such an awesome area to be driving, hey? Nice, quiet, isolated, clean, beautiful. So the car is all-wheel drive. It's a Haldex all-wheel drive system, and yeah, that's about it in terms of the stats and the figures. In terms of driving dynamics, I mean, on a day-to-day basis, it's fun, it's reliable, it's safe because of the all-wheel drive system, and yeah, that's about it. It's quick in a straight line. But if you're looking for something that is nimble around the twists and turns, very sharp, hard suspension, this is not the car. So this is mainly, I don't know, just a classy, powerful daily. Still classed under the hot hatch segment, but it's the more grown up sort of hot hatch. So it's not like your Megane RSs or your even a Golf GTI or I don't know, i30N. This was way before the i30N even existed. But yeah, I'm just trying to beat up the point. ESG, man. Well, S-Tronic in Audi terms. Very fast shifting, seamless gearbox. I think this is one of the greatest inventions, at least in the automotive world. So yeah, that is the Audi S3, man. So market value, these are currently priced anywhere from around 300,000 rands all the way up to around 650,000 rands for the facelift models, later year models, and all that jazz. This particular example is 109,000 kilometers. It's going for 380,000 rands. So yeah, that is pretty much the current market value on these. I've seen cars that sell for like 280,000 rands, but I wouldn't trust those one bit. Just seems a bit shady or dodgy to me. Just going around in circles. But hey, this is a fun road, eh? It's very beautiful with the trees and all. Yeah, that is the 8V1 Audi S3. So these are cars we really need to look into nowadays, because hey, cars have gotten so expensive, hey? So now we need to look back to the older stuff. Oh, haha. This is an awesome road, eh? I'm really enjoying these back roads. The main reason why I prefer doing videos on back roads is you can go up and down through the gears, hear the exhaust and stuff, as opposed to being on the highway. So you can't really go up and down the gears, you're breaking the speed limit. So I just prefer back roads. Oh ho ho. Ah, that is so awesome. These are still so awesome, hey? Oh. Oh, just looking out for speed humps. Minutes is it on now?
Close to 8 minutes. It's 7 minutes 23 seconds now.
Okay, let me push it to like 9. Okay. Oh, the way this thing picks up speed. Oh, Swift Sport. It's a cool little hot hatch. Pretty sure all the cars that are parked around here are wondering, what is this moron doing? Because I've been driving around in circles, doing pops on gear changes. They're just thinking some random idiot is busy driving recklessly, and I'm making content for you guys. I feel like if you're going to do a review on a performance car, you need to showcase this sort of stuff, because that's why you buy an S3 over a regular A3. Because of the performance, the exhaust, and the extra emotion that you get out of it. So it makes sense to do a review of this sort of car like this. So now I kind of feel like this is my racetrack. We have our own little circuit. So yeah, I'll keep the camera rolling for like a minute or two. I'll stay quiet, just drive, and yeah, I'll call it a day. There's a regular A3 8V1. here's another regular 8V1 A3. So one final pull and we'll call it a day. So that is it from me to you guys. Really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV. Remember to check out Car Sales Exclusive. Do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and yeah, that's cheers from me.